In this morning's Bright Spot, a world champion and record holder is putting her skills on display, not for judges, but for kids in the hospital. Look at this. This is Tori Boggs, and she is a 31-time Grand World Jump Rope champion and a Guinness World Record holder. She visited pediatric patients at MemorialCare Miller Children's Hospital in Long Beach. Tori spent the day teaching her coolest jump rope tricks, and she delivered activity kits to the kids also to try to help them keep engaged while they're in the hospital.
So much fun, and it really gets the endorphins going, and so the opportunity to share that with other people and see them take their first jumps or learn their new skills is really exciting for me. Whether or not a child wants to continue jumping rope or just has a really great day or gets a smile on their face, that's absolutely what it means.
Oh, look at them go. Visits like this are extremely important for young patients in hospitals. Kids learn and heal through the power of play, and doctors say when play is at the heart of a child's medical treatment, it can really help them heal faster, and it makes them happy.
Way to go, Tori, and way to go. I mean, she did, in the beginning, they were showing that. She did the one where it was like almost like breakdancing, where she gets down, it's almost like a handstand, then she gets back up and keeps going. I'm like, whoa.
It should be an Olympic sport.
Should be.
Maybe
like I was like watching, I'm like, okay, more.
Yeah. Good for her. We love hearing these